Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What is MrRoy? For IBA Sukkur 0 semester students, I'm doing chapter number 3 today, Indices, Surds and Logarithm. So let's start. June 2013, variant 1, paper 1, question number 4. Given that log 4x is equals to 1 upon 2, so we write, this is the logarithm form, so we write in the index form. So just little explanation when we write like this, a will be base and c will become power equals to b. This is called the logarithm form and this is called index form. So we need to write this in index form. So 4 power 1 upon 2 is equal to x, and we write 2 power 2 and 1 upon 2. So x is coming 2, the first part. Second part, like log base 4 and base 4 both are same, so we can write like single logarithm in left hand side. Before that, this 2 will become the power of this y, the power law, and minus log for 5y minus 12 is equals to 1 upon 2. So this, when we have 2 times log with negative sign, we can write with single logarithm, and negative sign means it will divide. When we have plus sign, we normally multiply. So 5y minus 12 equals to 1 upon 2. We can cancel the log. I mean, we can write comparison. We can do the comparison, but there is no log. So if you want to write log here, you can write log. You can apply here. The log 4 is used, so we can write log 4 of 4. You can write this one, and this 1 upon 2 will become the power of this. So this is possible, or you can use the index like again the index form. And even if you see this part, like question number 1 here, this the same thing is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 is also there. So you can write, and you can write 4 power like this. The 4 power 1 upon 2 is equal to the whole value. We can write in the index form. This is also possible. Okay, now this result is only 2, and we do the cross multiplication. So y squared is equals to, when we multiply, this is coming 10y and minus 24. Y squared minus 10y plus 24 equal to 0. Now we need to make the factors. Multiply to get 24 and plus to get 10. So factors are, I think so, 6 and 4. 6 times 4, 24, and 6 plus 4 is 10. Y is common, y minus 6 in the first two terms. And 4 is common, y minus 6. So y minus 6 and y minus 4 equal to 0. So y is coming 6 or y is coming 4. The one thing, remember, we are finding the value of x. No, I think it's y. Oh, we have done it. And one more thing, you have to check one thing. This 6, when we substitute here, like here log 4, like here y, position of y is here. So, and this one, this y, it means when I put 6 or 4, there is no problem. But when I use this one, I have to be careful. I have to be careful. I have to put the value y6 and y4, and this should not be negative. So let's check. If I substitute like 6 here, 6, 5 is 30 is positive, and when I substitute 4, 4 times 5 is 20 and it's coming positive. So both are accepted, and we have done question number 4 from the variant 1, paper 1, 2013. Question number 2 from the variant 2, paper 2 and 2013. Solve the equation this. So when we cannot write, or we cannot make the same basis, we apply LG both the sides. So, or even you can apply L in both the sides. So I write here 0.7. I apply LG both the side. Remember, the LG means this is LOG with base 10. This is in the book. Normally we use this in the book. And if you want to use same in the calculator, that will be only log. Log in calculator is base 10. Please, this is base 10 in calculator. So this power law p plus 1 will move front of the log, and 3 equals to Lg 0.7. So Lg 0.7 divided by Lg3, this is p plus 1, and we have to minus this one when we write. So what's the value of this part? We have to use calculator, and in calculator you have to use log, not like lg. There is no lg. Log is base 10, 0.7, and divided by log 3, and the result is coming minus 0.32, if I'm not wrong, minus 0.324, and it will become 5 because rounding off, and this plus 1 is minus 1, and the final answer is coming minus 1.325, and that we have done the value of p. That's very simple. So next part is let me check. 3 log 3 log 0.7 is divided by log 3, and it's perfectly right. Okay, moving to the next part. The next part is part B. This we have done A part. In B part, uh, in the form we have to write in the form of 2 power something, x power something, and y power something. So okay, let's start. So y times 4 power 2 we can write like this, 4 power 2, or even you can write 4 as a 2 power 2, or x cube, and the whole power is 2. It will make all the basic like factors. 8 will become 2 power 3, and y cube is already there. When I remove this radical sign, under root sign, the power will be 1 upon 2. Okay, y times 2 power 2 square is 2 power 4. This is times, and normally we can use point for the multiplication in algebra. 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 3 is y, the 2 is coming 3 upon 2, power to power will multiply, and this y will become also 3 upon 2. Now we have to move all the, like first is 2, so I will move 2 first, 2 power 4, and this 2 power will be minus 3 upon 2. I will write 2 together. Then we have to write x power 6, and there is no x, and y power is 1 when there is no power, so y is 1 minus 3 upon 2. Now we just need to simplify. It's coming 4 times 2 is 8, minus 3 is 5 upon 2. This is the first thing. Value of a is 5 upon 2. And then we have x power 6. Then we have y is 2, like 2, and this minus 1 upon 2. So we have done it. This question number 2, variant 2, paper 2, question year 2013. Question number 2, variant 3, paper 1, and year 2013. We need to solve this logarithm equation. Very simple. The base is 10, so we write single logarithm. So log, we write lg y square minus lg 5y plus 60 is equals to 1. And when we write single log, we write lg y square minus means we have to divide by using the laws, plus 60 is equal to 1. We can even write here lg10 because lg10 is equals to 1, or you can write it in the index form. Now log comparison here, so y square divided by 5y plus 60 is equals to 10. Now just we need to simplify. Y square 10 times is 50y, and plus 600. Now y square, we have the quadratic equation now, and we have to make the factors. And the factors may be multiplied to get 600 plus to get 50. Plus to get 50 factor 3 to the, yes, I think so. 30 and 20, if I'm not wrong. So common y minus 30. When I take 20 common, there is something wrong. Sorry, it's plus. Minus 2 is 30. So y minus 30 we have, and we have y minus 20 equal to 0. So y minus 30 is y equals to 30 and y equals to 20. One thing we have to check, that here log y is okay, LGY is okay because both are positive. When we do LG with 5 plus 60, all values are positive, so it means both are accepted, because this should not be. With LG, there is no negative value, so we have to reject one of the value, but we are having both the positives, so we have done question number 2, 2013 variant 1 paper, variant 3 paper 1. Question number 2, variant 2 paper 2 and 2013 November. We do not use, like, we do not allow to use calculator because we have to show each and every step. Otherwise, when you put the value in the calculator, you will get the direct answer, but we are not allowed. Okay. So now how we can work on this? First of all, this one, 4 under root 5 minus 2 whole square and divided by under root 5 minus 1. We have to remove this radical sign, and very simple, we apply multiply and divide by conjugate. Conjugate means this is plus 1. I will change the middle sign, conjugate. And this, when we simplify only the denominator, you can observe one thing, under root 5 whole square minus 1 whole square. Difference of two square formula, a plus b and a minus b is always equals to a square minus b square. We use this formula. Now, here in the denominator, when you observe, there is no under root value. 5 whole square under root is only 5 and 1. So it's coming 4. We have done it there, like there is no denominator because we do not need denominator here. So, okay. Now here, what we can do, we have to expand this by using formula. A square minus 2ab and plus b square. This is the expansion first. Now this I have to copy. This I have to copy under root 5 and plus 1. Let's see. This 4 square is like 16 into 5. Actually, you can use calculator for this part. There is, because we have to just uh, find the result. You can write 80 here. And here you can use like calculate 2 times 4, 8 to 16 under root 5, but you cannot put the whole value in the calculator to get the answer. It becomes a little bit lengthy question, and we have to show each and every step. So next is 80 plus 4 is 84. Sorry if I do some mistake, because sometimes I do not check the answer, and because of only one plus or minus, I can have some problem mistake. So this is 4. Now we need to multiply 84 under root 5. 84 times 1 is 84. This, when we multiply with this, is coming 5 and 5 in under root will become only 5. So 16 multiplied by 5 is coming 80. This is minus 80. And this is coming minus 16 under root 5. So now this is 4. 80 and 60, like 84 and 16 you can minus. The result is coming 68. 68 under root 5. And this is coming only 4 divided by 4. Okay, what you can do, you have two options. You can write 68 divided by 4 or plus 4 divided by 4. So, and here is given integers means not in decimal. Not in decimal means your answer will be definitely like when you divide this is coming 17. So, like it will be, sorry, this is 17 under root 5 and plus 1, and we have done it because there is no decimal value here, P and Q. Integers means not in decimal. So we have done question number 2, variant to paper 2 2013 November. These questions are like very important because we do not have this type of question in book. So this is question number 4, paper 2, variant to 2013 November. Starting with the first part. Log base p x squared. Like here, some two log px and log py values are given, and we have to use it. So log p and x squared, this square will become here, like will become the coefficient, and we know the value of log px is 5, so it's coming 10, and we did the first part. Second part, log p. There are two possibilities here I want to use here. One is like you can write log p with x power minus 1. Minus 1 will become the coefficient, and log p x, this is equals to 5. So this is coming 5, and your answer is minus 5. Done. Second option you can use, you can write log p 1 minus log p x. You can write. And remember, when we have log of any of the base with 1 here is always equal to 0. 6. LG1 is 0. When you have 1 here, ln1 is equal to 0. This is like fixed, we cannot change it. So this is 0 minus, and this is only 5. And so it's coming minus 5. There is second possibility. Moving to part number 3. We have, this is very like good part when the base is xy and p. And remember, in the given question, we have only base p with us. Only base p is given. So you have to interchange the base first. So I have one method. Just when you interchange the base, you write 1 upon log p xy. This is very simple. Very simple. Just interchange the base and 1 upon, write 1 upon. So 1 is there. And you have to write log p with x, and multiply means you have to write plus. So 1 upon 1 is there, log p is 5, and this is 2, and 1 upon 7 is the answer. We have done it. Very simple. So by this way, we have done question number 4, variant 2, paper 2, 2013 November. Question number 5, paper 2, variant 2, 2013 November. This question, we have to use simultaneous equations. So we have two equations here. First of all, we have to write like 2 power 2x, and we have to write 256. We can write like we can make all the bases as base 2, or you can write base 4, is up to you. So 256, when you check, 256 is when we convert into base 4 is also possible. So I think so 4 power 4 is 256. I want to write it. 4 power 4 is 256. And I want to check 1024, 4 power, or we can write 4 power is 5. Yes, 4 power 5 is 1024. Okay. Then I think it's better to keep in the power of 4. 4 power x, 4 power 4, and 4 power 5. This 4 will move up, so it's become x minus 4 equals to 4 power, sorry, this is y is also there. Sorry, 256y. Okay, so this will become x minus 4y, and this is 5, comparing the power. So x minus 4y is equals to 5. This is the first equation, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Moving to this part, like 3 power, I think so. Yes, right. 3 power 5 is equal to 243. So I can use here 3 power 2x multiplied by 3 power 9. I can make power 2 and y is there. And this is 3 power 5. And when all the power, like we can add the powers. So 2x plus 2y is equals to 3 power y. And 2x plus 2y is equals to 5. This is the second equation. And just we need to use simultaneous equation x equals to 5 minus has become plus 4y. And I substitute here, so 2 times 5 plus 4y plus 2y is equals to 5. And just we need to find the value. This is 10. 8y plus 2y is equals to 5. And when we simplify, it's coming 10y is coming 5 minus 10 is minus 5. So y is coming minus 5 upon 10 is minus 1 upon 2. We got the value of y. And when we need to find the value of x, this value I can substitute here. X equals to 5 plus 4 times minus 1 upon 2. So this is coming minus, and this is 2. So x is coming 3, and we have done it. Mistakes are possible when I do some mistakes. Sorry for that, because sometimes I don't check the answer and I just do it. So we have done question number 5, paper 2, variant 2, 2013 November.